Hi everyone, Hannah here. So in this video we are going to make a Memorydex card, and it's for a swap that I'm doing in the Decorate Your Life Facebook group. And she has a scrapbook store in Texas, and so we've kind of known each other for a while, and so I thought I would participate in the swap. And so I'm taking a Memorydex card. This was one that Lisa made for me. I guess it was, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 years ago now. I don't even remember, but I'm using it as a base just to measure. I did have a template for Memorydex cards, and I don't know what happened to it, so I thought, well, I'll just use this one and just kind of trace around it. And that, I mean, that's an easy, quick deal if you don't have a die template or you know, a template that you can draw and cut. You know, this is just the easiest, quickest way, really. Doing it old school here. And so I'm just, you know, cutting around the edges. Want to have nice curved edges. And then cut out the little places at the bottom, so in case if she is going to put it in the Memorydex. I've seen some of those Memorydexes, you know, that they make, and it's just so pretty. I remember watching some of those videos and pictures a couple years ago. So I'm kind of just figuring out how I want to do this exactly. The Memorydex is a little bit small. I want to make it a little bit bigger. So I'm going to cut out some of this paper here. I'm going to leave the bottom the same. You know, I'll just butt it up on the bottom, but I want it to stick out a little bit on the sides and on the top. And then I think I'll put that heart doily behind everything. So I kind of like that. That looks pretty good. I think I'm going to go with that. And I'm trying to figure out how to put the doily on the back, because I do like that. It kind of adds that nice, delicate touch to it. So I'm just adding some glue, and I'm just using some Fabri-Tac glue. You can use any kind of glue, really. Elmer's glue, Mod Podge, whatever you have on hand. A lot of people even use double-sided tape. I used to use double-sided tape a lot, but I noticed when I was going back through some old scrapbook albums that I had made, the score tape, it loses its stickiness after a while. You know, not really sure why. Maybe just over time. You know, I mean, Texas is pretty humid, so maybe that's the reason. So now I'm going to glue that paper doily on. I just love those little paper doilies. They're cute. In the kits that you're receiving this month, you're getting a larger heart doily, and then we've got it folded over into like a little pocket with some little ephemera, little vellum ephemera and paper ephemera pieces in there. And then this is our beautiful collection, Dear Valentine. And I'm just taking this one sheet of paper and using some of the different elements on it. There are 5 other sheets. One of the sheets has 6 postcards on it, and then the other 4 sheets are other beautiful designs. So it's a beautiful collection that you can purchase on our website at danagirlsdesigns.com, and I'll leave a link below. And I just wanted to share this project with you. I will also be coming on and doing another tutorial for a bag topper as well as a shaker card. So those will be 2 other tutorials that we will have up this week. Just different ways that you can use the collection this month. Everything is Valentine's themed. And so I thought, you know, this is a great way to, you know, just give you some ideas of how you can use the paper And of course, these Memorydex cards are so cute. So I thought I would have that wing there, butterfly wing, and then have those flowers on top. And I am trying to keep the color scheme the same and just add some other embellishments. So this is a little sticker tag that I've had for a while, and I want to put this little heart on it. I think maybe it's like a background, and then I might have something pop out in front of it. So just still kind of planning it as I'm going. So that fits better. And then I like the little two birds, the sticker with the two birds. I thought that might be pretty cute. So I just sticked that onto some cardstock and just cutting around it. And I'm going to go ahead and stick this heart or flower heart onto the little peach colored tag first. Then I'm going to pop up that piece with the birds. I'm trying to incorporate as many elements into this Memorydex card as I can with, I guess, without it looking too cluttered. Trying to get it to line up. I think I got it a little crooked, so I'm trying to straighten it up a little bit. So that looks pretty good. Now I'm going to get a foam dot and put that behind the little circle there with the birds. And then I'm going to just pop that right on there. So I'm going to just glue that down. And then I think I'm going to put a little foam circle up underneath the flowers. You know, just kind of, because part of the swap was to make it dimensional. So I definitely want to have some things popping out to make it dimensional. So I'm liking how it looks so far. And now I want to start adding some, you know, little bling, you know, kind of add a little finishing touches to it. These are some different things that I had in my stash. I used to do a lot more scrapbooking than I do now, and of course I love having the rhinestones and the pearls whenever I was making scrapbook cards and scrapbook albums. And I just absolutely loved that. So I thought I would add those flowers in. Hopefully it's not raised up too much, but I just wanted to, you know, try to make it dimensional. And I love these little, they're itty bitty little flowers that I had bought at Hobby Lobby. And so I just wanted to use those just kind of off to the side. That little red one is a little too far up. So I'm going to just bring that down a little bit. And then now what I'm going to do is take some pearls, and they were made into triangles, but I don't want to use them as triangles. So I'm just cutting off each little pearl piece and putting it where I want it to be on this Memorydex card. And I like the color. We've got a lot of pinks going on, so I want to tone that down by adding these kind of yellow colored pearls, flat back pearls. And I really like how it's turning out. You know, just trying to add as many points of interest as I can. You know, part of, you know, this project, I just want to add a lot of little details. So I had this piece of vellum. This is like one of the pieces that you would receive in the junk journal box or the This and That mystery kit this month. And that will complete this project. I hope that you've enjoyed it. I hope this inspires you. And thank you so much for watching.